Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Janvi and today I'm going to recommend you all some books. Okay, so in my previous cabin crew videos, many of you were asking about how to improve your English and how do I have good English. Thank you. I don't know, but I'll give the credit where it's due. I love reading, and I think somewhere or the other, I started picking up the words that I read, and I eventually built up a good vocabulary for myself. So I'm going to suggest you all because I asked this question in some video or the other that if you all want some recommendations, and there were many comments that you all really need some recommendations to start your reading journey. I have kept in mind to address that all of you are beginner and maybe teenagers who want to start their journey of reading. So I have selected books from three major genres that I love. That is romance. It's very windy outside. Okay, so please bear with me. The doors are open because I need lighting. All right. I have recommendations for you all from romance, thriller, and fantasy. All right. Uh, Very sure कि I know you all are beginners and you need something to start reading and build up your vocabulary or just to enjoy. I don't want to go into that sector of vocabulary. Maybe just to enjoy because you want to read. And many of you are going to watch this video because you just want to have good recommendations, book recommendations as a teenager or as a beginner. So I have accumulated a list and there are, I think, 15, 16 books from three different genres. We'll address them one by one. And I think you are going to like this. So let's get into the video. I'm going to start with romance because and all the books that I have here are very YA, young adult romance with almost no spice. And I think if you're starting your journey as a reader, these books are going to be life changing because when you start with spice, you don't understand this feeling of giggling and laughing at small scenes, and these books do that to you. Even today, after I read hundreds and hundreds of pages of Spice with a straight face, but I giggle when the protagonist hold hand at the end of the book. Okay, so I have accumulated the list. The first book that I'm going to suggest you all, I don't know for some reason I don't have these books with me right now. The one I'm going to suggest you all because I don't know where they are. I have them in physical copies, but not here. So yeah, I'll put a reference picture of the book here, so you can get the idea what the cover looks like if you want to buy or just read a PDF on Kindle or anything. So the first book is Better Than Movies by Lynn Painter. And I'm telling you, if you are going to read Lynn Painter's book, it's like a warm hug. It's very fuzzy, very warm, very cute. You're going to love it. So this story follows Liz and Wes. They're friends. It's a friends to lovers story. It's very heartwarming and it feels like blanket on a winter day. Okay, it's very warm. The story, I personally don't love Friends to Lover Valatro, but this I really enjoyed. It's very sweet YA, of course, and you're going to love it. If you start reading this, you are going to finish it in one sitting, maybe, and you will enjoy the whole book. The next recommendation that I have for you is Love Hypothesis. I love this book. It's by Ali Hazelwood. And this has a special place in my heart because this is one of the earliest book that I read when I started reading romance. I think it was my third or fourth book. And Adam Carson has a special place in my heart because of okay, because it was one of my earliest book. And when you are new to reading and you get to read everything on page, it's so different from movies. When you see it on movies, you are like, okay, this is happening. You see it happening. But when you read it, you feel it. All right, it's different. Believe me, it's different. So this story follows Olive, who is a third year PhD student, and Adam Carlson, who is a professor. It's a STEM based, any of you who don't know STEM means science, technology, engineering, and medicine. So it's a STEM based book and trope. It's about college and all those things, but it's very pretty, it's very heartwarming, and you will love it. The next two books are by Tessa Bailey. She is one of my comfort authors, I'll say. I love her books. So the first book is Secretly Yours. It is a very cute story. It follows Haley and Julian. Haley is our gardener, and Julian, well, he is a, I think he's also a professor. I'm forgetting this again. I think he's also a professor. And Harry had a crush on Julian when they were kids. They lived in the same town. Again, after few years, they are put in the same situation. They are around each other a lot, and it really develops the same feelings again. And the whole trope is very amazing because she starts writing secret letters to him, and he doesn't know who's writing those letters. And it's very cutesy, very yeah, I'll say it's very cute book, and you would really enjoy it. The writing is very easy, and if you are a beginner, this is something I think anyone will enjoy. I wasn't a beginner when I read this book. I read it I think a year ago, and I still enjoyed it. So I think you'll enjoy it. The next book by Tessa Belly is It Happened One Summer. You can see that okay if you're going to read all the five books, you will understand all the five characters, the mmc, that is male main character, they are so different from each other but yet so similar some way, I don't know. um o- okay, so this story is about Piper and Brenton. So Piper is this rich LA brat, and she has a very like a socialite, she's a socialite, and she has some scandal going on in LA, so her father sets her off here in this small town where she meets Brendan. And Brendan is like this broody sea captain, actually a sea captain. Imagine that. And he is this broody, grumpy man. All right. And he instantly hates her. The story is of Sunshine. Grumpy was a sunshine and small town romance, enemies to lovers. You will love how the story grows, how they start understanding each other, how the whole story moves forward, how they hate each other in the starting and then they start understanding each other. I love Brendan. Yeah. So the next section is fantasy. And if you're someone who has never read fantasy, I'll give you a quick disclaimer. Fantasy is literal fantasy. It's a made up world. You have magic, fairies, fays, elves, all those things. Politics, it has so many things. So fantasy, a author like literally from scratch makes a world that has the different rules and different. Sometimes they mention maps in there. Earthwing has a map. Okay, I'll show you. So you have maps in there, and you have them. Sometimes it's needed for the story. If it's needed for the story, there are histories and politics, everything mentioned. It's crazy how a person can imagine all those things, and it's I have recently got into fantasy, and I love it. I genuinely do. So all the picks that I have right now are very beginner friendly because I myself, I would say, I started reading fiction after 3 years of being a reader. Okay, I was very fixated on romance and thriller. So I cannot start fiction without mentioning Harry Potter. It's a 7 book series. Everyone knows it. Everyone loves it. If you haven't read the books, you have definitely watched the movie, and I know you love it. Okay, it's a 7 book series. I read the books as an adult. I wasn't a reader when I was a kid, so I read the books as an adult, and I loved Harry Potter even more than I used to. So again, you should start it. If you haven't read Harry Potter, you should really start with it. The next recommendation is again a series. We have The Fourth Wing by Rebecca Yarros. The first book is Fourth Wing, and the second book is Iron Flame. I loved it. This one has dragons, and the story of this is there's our main character is Violet. She has trained her whole life to be a scry. So there are different sectors. There are dragon trainers, and scribes are those people who read and you understand. So all her life she wanted to be a scribe, but then her mother puts her into as a dragon trainer, and then she has to go through the whole process. There's again a school, so if you again it has a school for this training and everything. You are going to love it. I enjoyed it very much. I Although I got to know that the people who love fantasy and are very deep into fantasy will say it's a very easy read, but You will love it. I loved it. It will take you some time to understand the politics, and it has politics. You are going to enjoy it if you get a hold of it. So you have maps and politics and all those things going on in this, but you're going to enjoy it. I'm being very honest. You're going to enjoy this one. The next one is a trilogy. It's a Cruel Prince trilogy. Trilogy? Oh, sorry. The next one is a trilogy. It's the Cruel Prince trilogy by Holy Black. I don't have the other two books. It's The Wicked King and the Queen of Nothing. Yeah. Sorry. I love this book. This was again, I think this was my first fantasy after Harry Potter, and I really enjoyed it. It has Jude. She is a commoner, and it has overlapping worlds. Okay, so it has overlapping worlds. There's some reality, and there's some mystery and magic. The king has a tail. What? you? To be very honest, not even a single fantasy book makes sense unless you read it. Okay, so it's going to be enjoyable, right, for you, picking this series up because I loved it. You can give it a try. It's again a duology. It has Six of Crows. The first book is Six of Crows, and the next book is Crooked Kingdom. If you love found family, you're going to enjoy it. I love it. I loved it. So there are these six characters who are on a heist. Okay, and these all six characters are so different to each other, but they somehow discovered there's this friendship. They find this friendship. It is like a whole found family trope, and you're going to love it. The whole heist is very enjoyable. And if you are, I cannot give it away by telling you things because abhi mujhe lag raha hai if I'm going to elaborate this book, I'll just elaborate the whole plot. But you are going to love this one. Okay. So the next genre is thriller, suspense, mystery, murder. All right. All right. So the first book in the series is going to I am thinking of you all as beginners, so I'm not going to dump very heavy books or very heavy reads. It's all very light reading, one sitting maybe, and easy language. We'll start with a trilogy. I think a series has been made. What I think, I know a series has been made on this book, so we have starting with A Good Girl's Guide to Murder trilogy. The first book is A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. Murder. The next book is Good Girl, Bad Blood. And the third book is As Good as Dead. I loved the series when I started reading it because it has the guy is Indian. Okay, that was the only reason I think Ravi saying I loved him. Loved Ravi in this one. He's a green forest. He's a green forest. There's some hint of course, in all these books, there's some hint of romance, but this one is totally focused on murder and solving problems, and this whole mystery thriller. That's all going on in this trilogy. All these have same characters, different stories, but it's amazing. I'm telling you, I many people don't love this one. They're like, there are better books than this. Of course, there are better books than this, but again, it's Holly Jackson. I love Holly Jackson. The book was really enjoyable. The ride was very enjoyable going through this series, and I love Pippa. I love Ravi, and I ended up reading the whole series in I think 3 days. Yeah, I finished the whole trilogy in 3 days. Three books in 3 days. I must have had some enjoyment while reading this. And now I'm realizing how khali I was. Because abhi I don't get time to read that much. Before I used to read a lot. These three books, these three fat books, I read them in 3 days. I should get back to reading again. I love reading. Okay, so the next book is The Silent Patient. I love this one as well. This one I think is one of the most favorite book in the thriller genre I have. It's by Alex McAleese, and I loved it. Loved it. I devoured it till the end page. I was waiting. I was gripping on my seat like, Abhi Kya Hoga. Okay, so it has different plots and twists, and you will enjoy it. If you are going to pick this up, it is a psychological thriller, so that is a spice on top. And you are going to love it. I'm already telling you, anyone who is going to read this book is going to end up loving this one. So, where is your copy of this book? Pick it up, read it. You guys don't listen to me on HB. Excuse me, that's my dog. Okay. The next series is One of Us is Lying. Again, I'm mentioning all the series, but I don't know. I like a whole series. मुझसे एक book में काम नहीं चलता है. I like a whole series. Reading into it. The first book is One of Us is Lying. The next book is One of Us Next. And the third book is One of Us is Back. I think there's one more book to this one, and I haven't read that one. But One of Us is Lying. There are 5 students who go into detention, but only 4 come back. So, who is the culprit? You need to understand this. This is a really good story. I personally enjoyed it, and I'll say I figured out the whole story somewhere in the between, but again, reading it was fun. Reading it was fun. So I won't question that. You should read this. Okay, so the last book of this thriller section, or the whole video is going to be The Housemaid Duology by Freda Marker. These are the 2 books I'll put here. Okay, I loved it. I recently read the book, so I think I read it in the month of Feb. It's April going on. Yeah, I read it in the month of May. It's a gripping story. It's a really nice story. So there's this girl. She's homeless. She's living in her car, and then she is appointed as a maid in this very rich family. To be very honest, I figured out the story in between what's going to happen, but I stayed there for the drama. The rich people have so much drama. I loved it. I'm telling you, it's not about giggles. It's absolutely not about giggles. The story was engaging. It was nice. But if you're looking for some dramatics in the form of thriller and mystery, you're going to love it. I loved it. I kind of got the idea what's going to happen, but I stayed for the drama, and the drama didn't disappoint me. I loved it. The whole build up and the characters going into this extreme scenarios, loved it. Yeah, those were all the books that I had to suggest you all. Okay, lovely people, I think we are done here. I'm sorry, I was going to the. What was the last book that I suggested you all? It was drama, right? I got the drama inside of me. Again, sorry. So I think we are done with the series, this whole video. Tell me if you want more recommendations. I have tons of them. I will suggest them to you if you are interested. Stay tuned. Maybe there will be a part 2 of this. And show me some love. I think I'm losing my mind. I'll just take your leave. Bye. Have a wonderful day. Love you all.